You might be wondering why I'm wearing this attire today. I've come down to Oppo's factory and we're going to be checking out their durability test. You heard that right. Let's go. Oppo puts the Reno 8 series through more than 300 tests. Here are the ones we found fascinating. Starting with the drop test, the device has dropped 50 times face first to check if it's working fine. The drop test is done from multiple angles and heights. There's a roller drop test as well, which is done up to 150 times. The phone also goes through a bend test with a pressure of up to 40 kilos. Then the phone is given a serious bath. The phone is kept under a rain check for 10 minutes with different angles. Post that, a humidity test is done which varies between 55 and 65 degrees. The torture doesn't end there. It is then given a temperature shock, which varies between -40 to 75 degrees. Both the extremes making sure the Reno 8 works perfectly. While the phones are running through the temperature test, they're not sitting idle. A software runs diagnosis on them, checking their OS and overall performance. The devices are then put into 100 degrees boiling water for 30 minutes. The charging ports are also tested with plugging in and out the charger hundreds of times. Reno 8 series is famous for its camera, hence it is tested in a video checker machine. It tests the focus shift in warm and cool lights. Before packing, they check the Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity. And this is how an Oppo phone lands in your hand. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.